Welcome home to Aspen in the Cove, a complete piece of art built by Mike Gepfert Homes. This expansive home overlooks panoramic sunrise and sunset views for you to enjoy. Offering 4 well-appointed bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms, there's plenty of space to go around. The open floor plan and floor-to-ceiling windows showcase the stunning views of the lake. This sanctuary of stone, custom wood, and glass effortlessly blends style, tranquility, and functionality. Coupled with angled ceilings, custom glass, and bantered walls, you'll notice that not a single detail in this home has been neglected. These gorgeous details are highlighted in the chef's kitchen, hearth room, and living area with wet bar. In the split bedroom floor plan, the owner suite boasts a beautiful tile shower, access to laundry, and doors leading out to the deck overlooking the water. The other 2 bedrooms on the main level also have a large Jack and Jill bath. Just off the entry foyer is the private office that's ideal for working from home. The lower walkout level is a whole other home in itself, complete with a gorgeous bar, stained concrete floors, a guest suite and bath, a huge family game room, and 750 square feet unfinished storage area that could easily be made into a theater or exercise room. Outside is an exquisite outdoor deck and patio with a custom-built fire table, and the extra-large 2-car garage has a 3rd bay and garage door for your golf cart. Outstanding landscaping can be found all around this property, including a spectacular cascading, ivy-covered retaining wall on your way down to the beach. An open floor plan, custom finishes, and great lighting combined with the beautifully picturesque landscape of Hamilton Lake is what sets this home apart from the rest. Come and see it for yourself by calling Danielle Jackson for your tour today.